Are you looking for the DJI drone? In this video, we will look at some of the DJI drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Hasselblad main camera. Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with the FAA Remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for Remote ID, and you can visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and Remote ID. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and ABS 5.0. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. 43-minute max flight time. Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. DJI O3 Plus. Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view. A professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults. Includes DJI RC and 1 battery. DJI RC has a lightweight, comfortable feel and 700 nit brightness. It's a great for DJI long-range 4K camera drones. An affordable remote controller with a screen. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Revel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. For the latest aircraft firmware. If your drone needs to be registered, such as / perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Number 3. DJI Air 3S Drone. The DJI Air 3S is the latest evolution of the Air series, equipped with dual 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video cameras, advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, a 20 kilometers transmission range, and other intelligent features. The Air 3S is the top choice for travel creators worldwide. DJI Air 3S has 3 purchasing options. DJI Air 3S RC Zen 3 includes the drone, and RC Zen 3 remote controller and other items to get you started. DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo RC Zen 3 includes the drone, an RC Gen 3 remote controller, 3 batteries, a battery charging hub, an ND filter set, and more. DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo RC2 includes the drone, an ND filter set, an RC2 remote controller with a large and bright screen, 3 batteries, a battery charging hub, and more. Battery charger sold separately. It is recommended to purchase the DJI 65W portable charger. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K Drone. DJI Mini 4K is an incredible way to capture your aerial world in 4K. Weighing less than 249 grams, no test is required in most countries' regions. It's also stunningly easy to use, with a 31-minute max flight time, a 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, max transmission range, incredible 4K footage, and so much more. Notes. 1. Standard aircraft weight, including the intelligent flight battery, propellers, and a micro SD card. The actual product weight may vary due to differences in batch materials and external factors. Training or examination is not required for flying this product in most countries and regions. Always check local laws and regulations before use. 2. FCC compliant and tested in an open outdoor environment without interference. 3. Flight time is measured in a controlled test environment. Specific test conditions are as follows. Flying forward at a constant speed of 17 kilometers per hour in a windless laboratory environment, in photo mode, without photo-taking operation during flight, and from 100% battery level until 0%. Under the preceding conditions, a maximum range of 62 minutes can be achieved by replacing the battery once, or 93 minutes by replacing the battery twice. Number 5. DJI Flip RC2. This 4K camera drone has full coverage propeller guards made from lightweight carbon fiber, providing comprehensive protection for you. Enjoy your time with the drone. Lightweight and regulation-friendly. Weighing under 249 g. 1. This drone doesn't need FAA registration or remote ID in America. It's compact, convenient, and ideal for your travels. Your on-the-go AI director. With subject tracking, your subject stays in focus. Whether you're hiking or having a party, this drone acts like your personal cinematographer, capturing every move. Capture every detail with 1/1.3-inch CMOS. The larger sensor in this 4K camera drone captures more light, delivering clearer images with vivid detail, ideal for capturing both scenery and portrait. Stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video. Capture the beauty of sunrise and sunset with ultra-high-definition video. This mini drone offers an exceptional visual experience, making every moment look breathtaking. 31-minute max flight time. Leave battery concerns behind. With up to 31 minutes of flight time. 5. This mini drone can capture more moments and explore further without interruptions. Includes the DJI Flip RC2 remote controller with a high bright screen, 1 battery, and more. Ideal for an upgraded flying experience. Due to platform compatibility issues, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. Visit the official DJI website to download the user manual and the latest DJI Fly app for a better experience.